thought an early morning flight after going to the club for the first time in 10 years was a good idea, especially with my motion sickness and nausea. I definitely got sick at the Uber ride here. It was actually hilarious. I did not put an alarm on. We knocked out as soon as we got here, and it is 4 p.m. The Airbnb is whatever here. I think that's kind of the vibe in Mallorca. There's not a lot of like more modern Airbnbs, but our view is beautiful. So let me show you guys.
I almost fell asleep outside.
Outside?
I know, I literally went into
Is that where you went? I was like, I'm going.
They're here! Woo! Y'all, we were on the struggle bus this morning.
We were still on the struggle.
Mickey D's in hand.
Mickey D's in hand.
rush morning. We had to get ready pretty quickly and then take the train out here. It is so beautiful. Here is my outfit.